Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see on my table, I don't really have much because I'm going to cook like our grandmothers or our forefathers used to cook back in the days. I'm preparing this Akwa Ibom local food ODODUO, which is ewedu in the Yoruba land. It's a very ancient type of soup. I don't think that it's even common. I don't think they even cook it now. But I went to my friend's house and the grandmother was around. She prepared it, I tasted it, and I asked for the recipe. So now you can see my fresh ewedu leaves here. So fresh. That is the leaf they used to cook this soup. Then you can see my unshelled periwinkle. It's already washed. I have my locust beans there. Then crayfish, Cameroon pepper, salt, stockfish here. Then my dried catfish. Then in my blender here, I have my pepper and onions. This is what we are going to use to prepare this soup today. When I tasted this soup, it was so delicious. I said I must bring it to my kitchen. I'll be using beef, goat's meat, cow tripe, and cow skin. That's what I'll be using. So guys, I want to do this to show you. Then if you decide to go and try it on your own, then let me know in the comment section. So guys, let's do this together. So this is the meat I'll be using for the soup. I'll just add some blended pepper and onions first. Then later I'll add it to the soup. Then I'll be adding some salt. This is what I'll be using for this soup. It's a local soup, organic soup, everything organic. No oyibo mede. So guys, I'll cover the pot and let the meat start boiling. Then later I'll come and add in some more water. While this is boiling, let me go and take care of the ewedu leaves. So guys, I'm plucking the ewedu leaves now. Ewedu leaf is known by the Yoruba people. They use it for their ewedu soup. But this is an Akwa Ibom soup, ODODUO. I don't know if I pronounced it well. Please correct me in the comment section if I didn't pronounce it very well. This is how the soup they use this ewedu leaf to cook in Akwa Ibom or Calabar. But I don't know these Gen Z people if they know what it is called, because this soup is back in the days. I don't know if they still prepare this type of soup. That is what we are going to prepare today and in the local way. So after picking this leaf, I'll wash very well and then now slice it. So guys, this is 5 minutes. The meat has been boiling with its own juice. So I'll add in some water, let it keep boiling. Then I'll add the periwinkle, the fish and the stockfish here to keep boiling. So this is the stockfish here and the fish. Then I'll add the periwinkle. So I'll cover the pot, let it keep boiling. So guys, after plucking the leaves, I washed thoroughly so that all the sand will be out. Now I'm about to slice. So guys, after 20 minutes cooking this meat, this is what we have here. So I'll just add in some more water. Add the quantity of water you want to add in your soup. Then now I'll be adding the iru. Then I'll add some crayfish, some Cameroon pepper, then the remaining part of the onions and pepper I blended that I used to boil the meat. Then I'll add in some oil. I'll also add some salt. After stirring for everything to combine very well, I'll cover for it to simmer. My people, see our organic soup. See how it is bubbling, boiling, bubbling and bubbling. This is what we have now. So guys, I will now add our EWEDU leaves after slicing. Before you know it, our organic ODODUO soup from Akwa Ibom will be ready. So this is the cut EWEDU leaves. I'll just top it again with more crayfish and salt. Then I'll cover the pot, let it boil down before I stir. This is what we have now. So I'll stir the soup. Wow, this is looking so yummy. The aroma in my kitchen, I can't even tell you. Guys, if you are looking at the face of this soup and it's so fine and you like what you are seeing, please just hit the like button, share for me, turn on your bell, give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I will now test for salt. If everything is okay, I will turn off the heat, then our soup is ready. Yeah, the salt is okay, pepper is okay, everything in this soup is so okay. Man, I love the taste of this soup. Please, I want you to try it. Just try this soup. I don't want the EWEDU leaf to be overcooked. So now I'll turn off the heat and wait to take this with correct akpu or fufu. Any swallow of your choice will go with this soup. Guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.